Aura.
Members of the Congress, ladies and gentlemen, I am especially pleased and honored to be among you, the distinguished representatives of the people of the Dominican Republic. This is the place where the voices of your people are being heard and reflected in your legislative works. And I thank you, and you have my deepest admiration and respect as a parliamentarians of this great country. As the Secretary General of the United Nations, I reach out to parliamentarians wherever I go. I recognize your fundamental role. You ratify the treaties, you approve the budgets, you pass legislation that translate international obligations into national commitments. You are the critical bridge between the local, regional, and international. You are the bridge builder between the United Nations and the Dominican Republic. And I thank you for your leadership and commitment. This is important time for us to come together.
Esto está pasando ahora.